Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the brand overview and marketing strategies of Jubilant Foodworks. By the end of this video, you will be able to learn about Jubilant Foodworks and its subsidiaries, which are Domino's, Dunkin' Donuts, and Hong's Kitchen. We'll even explain to you their competition, what's their target market, and segmentation based on demographic, behavior, and psychographic. Then conduct SWOT analysis and conclude. Brand overview. Jubilant Foodworks Limited is part of Jubilant Bharati Group and is one of the India's largest food service company. The company holds master franchisee rights for Domino's Pizza, Dunkin' Donuts, and Hong's Kitchen. Now let's talk about the timeline of the company. It was originally called Domino's India Private Limited. In 1995, Domino's entered a master franchisee agreement with Domino's International for northwest part of the India. In 1996, it opened its first store in Delhi. In 2009, it changed its name to Jubilant Foodworks. In 2011, it launched its new subsidiary brand Dunkin' Donuts. In 2016, it opened 1000 Domino's restaurant in India. In 2019, it launched a new brand called Hong's Kitchen in India. Now let's talk about each brand separately. Starting with Domino's. It was launched in India in early 90s when India was opening up its economy. India was offering subsidies to foreign products in an effort towards globalization. Domino's is very successful in India. It keeps adding new stores every year. Jubilant Foodworks has a total net revenue of $45 million in 2019. Pizza market in India is worth $1.5 billion. Domino's accounts for 78% of revenue in Jubilant Foodworks. It holds 70% of market share in India. They are winning India's race in pizza restaurant due to its fast delivery and affordability. Currently, it has 1,335 stores across India. Now let's talk about Dunkin' Donuts. It was launched in 2011. It was successful in the beginning, later not so successful. It had to close half of its stores in 2018. Currently, they have only 34 stores across India because India is not so accepting with donuts as breakfast because Indians prefer a home cooked meal for breakfast. Another branch owned by Jubilant Foodworks is Hong's Kitchen. It was launched in 2019 in Delhi. This is the first homegrown brand for Jubilant Foodworks. It serves Chinese dishes. There are around 3 to 4 stores in India right now.
Competition overview. Jubilant Foodworks has a diverse range of products through different sub-brands. It has many competitors in different markets. First we'll talk about Domino's. Domino's has many competitors ranging from local brands to international chains. Domino's is doing very well compared to its competitors. It has far more stores compared to Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut has only 430 stores, while Domino's has 1335. While its competitors like Papa John's had to close all of its 66 stores and leave Indian market. Many Indian restaurants have started offering pizza in their restaurants, but it is not so big of a threat to Domino's since they are not national chains. Next we'll talk about Dunkin' Donuts. Donuts are not as popular as pizza and are not available everywhere in India. Its main competitors are Krispy Kreme and Mad Over Donuts. Few bakeries have also started offering donuts now. It has high competition in beverage business with high-end brands like Starbucks and local businesses. Local businesses have a very high market share in beverages, and it seems like it's not going to decline anytime soon very much because of their cost effectiveness. 2 donuts in Dunkin' cost around Rs 600, while its competitors like Mad Over Donuts offer it at Rs 350 to 400. Dunkin' even started offering burgers, which is filled with completion of international chains like McDonald's and Burger King. Last is Hong's Kitchen. There are many places we can find Chinese food in India. Most of the restaurants in India offer Chinese food. They have entered a densely populated market.
Hello, this is Jaydeep here, and now we look into market analysis. The main target audience of Domino's fast food franchise in India is between 18 to 35 in demographic. The use of SEO, SEM, and SMM is observable in the digital marketing strategies of Domino's. The Domino's Pizza has about millions of followers all over social media platform, and they have a really good outreach. The use of email marketing and SMS marketing is smartly done by Domino's, where they send confirmation of orders and OTPs through this medium. Domino's also has paid Google advertisements where we can see presence of Domino's almost on all websites. Dunkin' Donuts is a world-leading quick service restaurant where they have more than 11,000 outlets all over the world and to be the leading provider of a wide range of baked foods and beverages. Being a market leader in India in the category and maintaining the same for years is commendable. Dunkin' Donuts is market leader in flavored coffee and muffins and donuts. Honk's Kitchen, while Chinese food is the second largest consumed food in India, there exists a vast gap between street vendors and premium fine dining. Jubilant already has established footprint in Indian market and entering into a new segment will further help the company to drive growth.
Marketing segmentation. First one is the demographic segmentation, in which they segment the customer according to their age, gender, etc., in which they target the customers who comes under the age group of 31 to 40 and 15 to 20. According to the gender, they usually target the single youth and the males. Second one is the behavioral segmentation, in which they segment the customer according to their buying behavior, purchasing habits, and the product interactions. Third one is the geographic segmentation, in which they segment the customer according to the area and cities, in which they usually target the customer from the urban and semi-urban areas and the customers from the class A cities of the country. Fourth one is the psychographic segmentation, in which they segment the customer according to their personality traits, lifestyle, interest, etc.
Now we look into SWOT analysis. Domino's have strong service facilities like 30 minutes or free. The opportunities they can see is that they can open outlets in busy places to drive in more customers. Threats faced by Domino's is from Pizza Hut and other upcoming pizza restaurants, and weakness is that outlets lack space and creates problem for limited seating and space for customers. The strength of Dunkin' Donuts is that they have perfect positioning, super franchise strategy, strategic branding, great supply management, eco-friendly policies. The weaknesses of Dunkin' Donuts are slower expansion, they are struggling in India, lack of variety. Threats for Dunkin' Donuts is that they have intense competitions from other competitors like McD, Burger King, KFC, global pandemic and recession, increasing health consciousness. Opportunities offer healthier options, expand market presence, diversify revenue streams, and strengthen operations in emerging market and for higher potential growth. When we look into Honk's Kitchen, the Chinese cuisine is the second largest consumed cuisine in India, and they can drive in customers through this medium. The threats faced by the company is that there are growing health consciousness in the country, and the growing sentiments between India and China might affect the company.
The marketing strategy of Jubilant Foodworks, it offers a product like Domino's Pizza, Dunkin' Donuts, and Honk's Kitchen, which offers the Chinese food items. Domino's Pizza offers a large variety of pizza and other beverages like Zingy Parcel, and Dunkin' Donuts offers a different variety of donuts and coffee. They all have second one is the price. They all have a competitive price in the market with the target to cover the all category of the customers. Second, the third thing is the place, which they have their own place where customer can walk in and buy their product, and also customer can make use of online booking to order their product and get it delivered to their home. The fourth one is the promotion, in which they are using the advertisement in the TV and publishing advertisement in the newspaper, and by publishing into different posters and distributing posters and templates, and they are making use of the digital marketing to promote their product.
Conclusion and recommendation. Domino's India has been going strong with their digital marketing strategy. Marketing strategies keep evolving over time based on the current marketing situation. So it is important that even Jubilant Foodworks keep making these changes in their own e-marketing strategy as well. Dunkin' doesn't have strong marketing as Domino's. Growing their online presence and offering Dunkin' coupons at Domino's will increase sales of Dunkin', and it can become the market leader in donuts and beverage industry. With Domino's being one of the largest brands that sell pizza and leading pizza restaurant chain, it is very important for them to maintain their reputation and keep doing the great work they are already doing. Thank you.